I'm here with my Dash Mini Grill, and we're gonna see what happens if I try to cook a pancake in it.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I have it plugged in, it's heating up, the blue light is on, and we're just gonna wait for that light to go off, and then I'm gonna pour in some pancake batter. Obviously you can use any kind of pancake batter that you like. Today I'm making almond flour pancakes. So I have some eggs and some almond flour and a little bit of apple cider mixed in. I'm just doing a really, really simple pancake. I'm actually going to put some butter in here. I'm hoping that the pancake does not stick. Okay, the light just went off. Let's open this up and let's pour in our batter. Just going to tilt it a little to make sure everything's covered, and let's shut this and let's come back in about 2 minutes and see what's going on. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so let's open this up and see what's going on inside. So that's what it looks like. So I guess that there was not enough batter in it for it to get grill marks on the top of it. Let's flip it over and see what's going on. Look at that. Looks like a nice pancake. It just has grill marks on it. So I'm going to shut this and let's cook this for like another minute on this side. Okay, another minute has gone by, so let's open this up. Let's flip it over. And there we have it. I'm making a few more pancakes to use up the batter, and this one's a bit thicker, and this has some really nicely defined ridges on top. It also has a really nice golden brown color. So yeah, this works really good for pancakes actually. And then there's the other side. It was still too flat to reach the top grill marks, but when I flipped it over I got some grill marks. And then this is the original grill marks from being on the bottom. This is what happens when you cook a pancake in the Dash Mini Grill. It cooks like a pancake, it just has grill marks on it. I'm going to grab a fork. I'm going to taste it. This is a really thin pancake. It tastes really good. I'm actually surprised at how sweet it is, but I guess from the almond flour and the apple cider, it added a nice sweetness to it. And obviously if you make pancakes with baking powder or baking soda, they will rise more than this. I'm putting some jam on it. This is raspberry jam, seedless raspberry jam. It's actually a fruit spread. There's no sugar in it. It's just all fruit. So now I'm going to taste it again. So good. And even though you do see the prominent grill marks on top of it, there's only a little bit of like ridges or ribbing on this. Otherwise, it's pretty much flat like a pancake. And that is what happens when you cook a pancake in a Dash Mini Grill. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.